When soft wash cleaned, your cladding in Sussex will stay cleaner for longer. Softwashing UK buildings is the most cost-effective way to clean cladding. Soft washing typically lasts up to 6 times longer than pressure washing. Soft washing leaves behind a sterile surface which helps reduce sick building syndrome. Cladding which is soft washed in Sussex and cleaned properly has the following benefits. Longer lasting cladding helps reduce costly replacement. Clean buildings attract more visitors in Sussex. Cleaner buildings attract less vandalism. Sussex employees prefer working in clean, smart looking warehouses. Call to have your cladding cleaned today on 0800 157 7484 or visit our Softwash website purple-rhino-co.uk.